Okay, what did they do here now? What did madman they find for her and they say moto?
Now your papa be madman. Your family, your generation. Even the madman. Are you okay?
How?
Or somehow? In fact, your entire generation are them the mad.
Okay, look around. This place be like where they sell alligator pepper.
They sell alil in nego. This place look like where they sell alil in nego. If they say you no get respect, I resemble you a madman.
Oga, we are mad people they dey na for dustbin. Go there. You know say as e dey.
You no go like me. Continue. If I change them for you, you no go like me.
Who be that? Wetin dey happen there?
Oh no.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise?
Madman, wetin dey find here?
Your head and my own, which one correct pass?
Wetin happen? See this madman. I don't know wetin they do here. Oga, wetin happen?
My brother, you are welcome, Jare. Only she did Agamma. I dey look for Oga Abraham Motors.
The Abraham wey dey for Bible, abi which Abraham? Our main Oga wey be Abraham, abi the one wey dey Bible. Which person wey dey find?
Thank God say no Oga you call am no be your papa because he no fit born madman. Now Abraham Motors I dey find Oga Abraham himself. Una dey make me talk too much.
Oga, calm down. Wetin dey happen for here now?
This man say they find Oga.
Our Oga.
Oga Abraham o. This man.
I beg, just calm down. Oga give you appointment.
Which kind nonsense question be that one?
He give you appointment.
So now don't complete 3 madmen.
Oh,
Eh?
he give you appointment.
Which kind of
Make this man come over here.
Oga, na we dey come out. Oga, come out for this place. Oga, go. Come out for this place.
Yes, I dey look una.
This man.
You know why I dey look una like this? Because una no get future. If say una get future, una for look into me and know who I be. And then when they ring bell in the whole world, you look
don't
me.
do anything. Make you come out here.
Oga, come out for this place.
Come on, get up on Ganda Pam say bupo no 3 times.
Oga, we go descend
Who
on
you
you.
be?
Come out for this place. We go descend on
You
you.
no go do anything.
Oga, come out for this place.
What is going on from this place? Ah, Chiefimo worldwide.
You never will have question and let you. Or maybe Kuno Bam Nanyam to. Hey, Mother Apotala. Immediately human being come out everywhere they do. I wouldn't cut on him and now, but they go, whoa. Cookie. You go sack this boss or you put them on chain. Nonsense people.
Continue.
I'm welcome.
Welcome. Oh, Chief, why did you dress like this? You surprise me.
My brother, I need to surprise you. Hey, question me make a surprise. Make was a surprise. Make a surprise. Yari walk out together. Imano why no ni make it. This life where we dey inside, so you no balance anymore. The way things were is no longer the way it is. Anybody wey wan live longer now suppose remove we a disgrace.
No be disgrace, na disguise.
Okay, you talk too much. You talk too much. You don't teach me. I don't like it. Okay, I can speak English. Mbam gara school lo guy here. Amugule nego.
Continue.
The illiterate na we di hona. Inyema akonuche. 1+1 in my home.
You be mumu.
2 times 4. Wono.
This man.
Ibranga you get phone yodo na eko. Aboje kan katale ko onye nwe company mbo putara o medi mkpoto. Umu nkata ya na aboje ga wom ka ekuke.
Chief Ozola.
My brother, I thank God to see you. From Lagos, na here I jump come. As I hear say Abraham Motors today for Port Harcourt, I say no. If I no come buy from your hand, waiting again. Because you question it na tegara ndi Igbo. One nigga buy hagazuri ihe nwanne ngo. You know be say your brother go dey sell gigawa katangwa. Mo gawa Jamaica gagazo ya. Oh him just know I must buy from you. My wife birthday na next month. I want to surprise her with a ubala. Now you make I disgrace myself like this. I don't want to make people know say na me.
Oga, this guy say.
Hey, look at this guy. Second go that get to work in English. When I go walk, don't teach me.
Chief, come.
Took me around the beacon.
Take you around. You are welcome.
Thank you. Hey, Abraham Motors, big man.
So this guy man fit buy car.
He shock me oh. No be even say the man go fit buy car be my own. I say that man wey dey like that. No our oga. Man.
Now, you see for this life, no just insult anybody.
No insult
Man,
anybody.
no money oh.
No look down on anybody oh.
Man, why they call poor man? You owe money.
No look down on anybody oh. No go your do people.
Go your side.
Hustle oh.
Customer, come buy car, customer.
this is fine. This one dey good, well.
Very good.
What do you call am again?
Toyota RAV4.
Toyota
RAV4.
RAV4. Ebe, the color kuma na woman color.
Very good.
My wife dey like this kind of color.
You're welcome, Chief.
Nnam biko odori ka ibe ya biko. One better question. Which oil una dey use inside all of unaka?
Chief, we use only one particular oil for our vehicles. Nelival oil. It's a pure synthetic oil, not recycling. It's pure virgin.
Nelival oil.
Nelival oil.
Wait a minute. Sokwa no ya wuru nne. Just wait a minute. Wait a minute. You mean this oil?
Chief, you know about Nelival oil?
Ebo! Akata huna kata.
Jesus.
Akata huna kata. Wait a minute. You mean you people use Nelival oil?
Nelival oil for all our vehicles. All my customers use Nelival oil. Pure synthetic, Chief. It's not recycling. It's pure virgin.
Ebe!
Why coming from Lagos to Port Harcourt with this? Why we have it here in Port Harcourt?
I never know say I go see am for this place because this oil we don dey use am since last year for all my motors wey I don get already. All my friends wey get heavy duty motors na this oil dem dey use, and if you put am for motor fiam ija wele ginaga fiam ginaga. Na im make I carry am say if I buy this motor I must recommend this oil inside the car wey I go buy for my wife, without knowing say na the same Nelival oil una dey use for here wey dey Port Harcourt. In fact, Nelival oil you need, others follow.